Hey everybody, Hishitori here. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you another easy way of how I draw anatomies, except this time it's going to be a male edition. Before we get started into the video, I wanted to let you guys know that there will not be a video next week, but I will still be streaming on Wednesdays. So also keep a lookout in my community posts for any updates of anything. Now let's jump right into the video. So remember how I told you guys in my last video how to do like the beam method? When you're like drawing anatomies, well, it can be pretty much the same way for like male anatomies, except like you're making the top circle a little bit bigger because men are more wider, like the top of their bodies, versus us women who are bigger or wider, I should say, for the bottom. So I did a couple examples with the practice and in the actual video where I was like kind of drawing like the rectangular or square shape, but I also added the beam method later on. And also with the other bodies, like the last two that I did, they were a little bit more above, so I made the circle bigger versus like kind of making it like how females do it, or how females have it, where the circle is smaller at top, like I said already. Men are more buff, women are smaller but also curvy. So always keep that in mind. Also, I did plenty of other examples even in my other anatomy videos. Make sure you guys check those out. That'll probably be in like the top right hand corner, or if you're watching it from your TV or something, it'll probably be in the description box. So make sure you keep a lookout for that and make sure you watch those videos too. And forgive me, I should have used a different color when drawing the first body instead of yellow because it's a little bright, but I'm pretty sure like you can kind of see what I'm doing pretty much. So I hope it isn't that bad, but if it is bad, I am so sorry. And y'all don't come for me in the comments about how I drew the abs. Like, I'm kind of trash at it still because I don't normally draw like my male OCs without shirts on. But it was a pretty good practice. If you guys want a tutorial on how to draw abs, I can make my own in my own little style, or you could check other videos. I'm pretty sure they have it by now. But yeah, so on to the second body. I made this guy a lot bigger, so I made the top part of his body circle a little bit more wider to show like, you know, he's buffer at top, and along with like going down towards the bottom area where he's got like some meat there, but it's still like muscle. So yeah, I did a big circle and then I did like a semi small circle, kind of like a beam, except it's like flipped upside down. Like I said, for men more wider at top, for women more wider at the bottom. So you pretty much get the picture there. I can like give a weird example. Like think of it as like you're taking like an orange and a cutie. That's basically like your example of the shape from when you're drawing men's, and it can go for women the same way. So yeah, imagine that. Picture that, and hopefully that example works. I know it's weird. But yeah, so with those examples that I'm showing you, also aside from the circles, like see, you can use rectangles, squares. Like for example, the first body, he was kind of like slim and muscular, but not like too muscular like the second guy is. So I used the square so that way it can match with the body type that I'm going for, versus like when I did the two circles, big, round, but muscular. I feel like I'm saying this so many times. So forgive me on that, but yeah, that's pretty much how I'm thinking it. So I hope that this is helping you guys understand it though. In most of my videos, I don't really draw a lot of male characters, but I do my best though, only because I kind of like their body type. But at the same time, I have fun with it, making my own male OCs. So to me, I still think like women is just easier to me because of the curves that they have. But if you look at the male, it could pretty much work the same way if you just do it the opposite way. I'm still practicing myself, but this is like a tutorial for beginners. I'm kind of like advanced beginner stage, but again, most people that I realized and noticed that my videos have helped people, and I thank you guys for like all the nice comments and the likes that you guys are giving me, along with sharing my videos if you are. But yeah, I'm happy to be helpful to those who are around like the same stage that I'm at as far as like my drawings. So again, thank you. So for the last one, I pretty much don't have to go through explaining like how I did the last one, because, well, you pretty much get the picture. Like I said, you pretty much get like what I'm explaining, what I'm showing you. Again, bead method, blah blah. So on the last one, yeah, I just did smaller circle at the bottom, big circle at top, pretty much the same old thing. But what I can say is the difference with how the angle of the body is. So as you've seen throughout the whole video or any of my other videos, the lines that I do, you know, for the shoulders and then for the hips, it guides me to know like how far like the body apart is. I hope I'm saying that right. But yeah, how far the body is with the way that it's angled, and to guide me to where everything is going to be placed. So yeah, that pretty much sums up how I drew all the male bodies. And again, my last anatomy video, or all of my tutorials basically, I have a whole playlist on my channel, so check those out. I have a whole bunch of videos explaining like how I did everything. And again, thank you for watching. I hope my video helped. If you are interested in, like I said, for my channel, it's art and games. Always keep a lookout for my community posts, and also hit the notification bell to stay notified of what I be posting next. So yeah, I'm just gonna have the end credits here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And again, there won't be a video next week, but I will still be live streaming. And again, I hope my video helped. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.